People say the Nuremberg Christkindlesmarkt is one of the best Christmas markets in the world. Some lists even put it at number 1 in Europe. But what about the rest of Nuremberg? The Imperial Castle, the old town streets and even the parks? Is it all picture perfect or actually a bit dirty and chaotic when you step away from the postcards? In this new episode, Expectation versus Reality, I'm visiting 5 of Nuremberg's most Instagrammed spots and sharing my own honest impressions from behind the scenes. Oh my god, this is not real. This is like in a medieval movie set. This is Nuremberg in Germany. Famous for its medieval old town, the most beautiful Christmas market in Europe, and Nürnberger Rostbratwürstchen. That's nothing for me because I'm vegetarian, that means sausage. So, behind me you can see the Neptune fountain. Let's look my reel. I create a reel of this park now and I will show you this and you can judge, is it reality or is it not? Let's go. Now it's your turn. Is this park worth to visit? It's your decision. I like it. It's a quiet, peaceful spot with ducks. Oh, you can see ducks here. I love this. I see this in every park here in Germany. In all parks, this is so cute. There are ducks. Here are ducks. Filipinos would say fresh adobo. I think in summer it would be better, so visit Nuremberg in summer if you want to see this spot. But of course Christmas market is not in summer, so yeah, I like it. I'm not disappointed. That's nice for the first place. Guys, look this. Kaiser-Wilhelm monument and the St. Egidien church. I don't know the name. I'm so sorry. This is the only true Baroque church here in Nuremberg. It goes almost 900 years back, and fire and the Second World War destroyed this church several times. So of course you saw the fantastic church, you saw this fantastic monument, but you didn't see the construction. I hide it in the reel and in the short. So yeah, reality. Behind me is the Weißgerbergasse. The street looks like a pure fairy tale. Colorful half timbered houses, cobblestones, tiny balconies. But let's have a look. Is it real? Here's my short. Oh my god, this is not real. This is like in a medieval movie set. This is it's like, I feel like in Game of Thrones a little bit. Just without the dragons. In the background you maybe can see the Maxbridge. You basically can get the classic Nuremberg postcard in one frame. You have the river here, the Prignitz River, and let's have a look. Here's my reel for this bridge. My short shows reality because here's no negative. It's clean, it's okay, it's a little bit dark. I think Nuremberg needs more lights. But yeah, if you cross the bridge, very beautiful. I feel like in Game of Thrones in a movie set. This is I don't know this from Germany. This is huge. Well, this is reality. A little bit reality is necessary. So behind me you can see Kaiserburg. You get here the full experience of Nuremberg. But it's just a beautiful viewpoint over red rooftops and church towers. But for hundreds of years this was one of the most important castles in the Holy Roman. So, is this place real? Yeah, it's definitely real. I can't see negative things. Of course, it's again crowded because Christmas time and everybody is looking at the wonderful place. But yeah, it's also a concert, it's a candlelight concert, but it's very expensive. Yeah, now you know. I completely forgot to film my reaction at this monument, but I still have to show it to you. The marriage carousel. So, behind me is the Nuremberg Christkindlesmarkt. And if this Christmas market really deserves to be called one of the best in the world.
Ja, ich habe mir gedacht, das war ein komisch. Ich habe heute mal, die haben auch...
Crochet!
Crochet?
Crochet? Oh.
Schaut's gar nicht hin. Und 9 zurück.
Danke.
Und sich einen guten Appetit und eine schöne Zeit hier.
Danke gleichfalls.
Dankeschön.
Ciao. That's my diet. Oh, this is so tasty. So I needed 1 hour to discover this fantastic, beautiful Christmas market, and it's really beautiful. So if you're here near Bavaria or near Nuremberg, it's worth a visit. It's the most beautiful Christmas market ever I was. So this is my full experience. But if you don't like crowded place, this is not the best place for you. Definitely not. This was the first episode of my new series Expectation versus Reality. Please let me know in the comments how you liked it and if I should make more of these. Also tell me which city I should visit next, but please not Philippines again. Just kidding. I'll see you in the next episode. Cheerio.